Happy morning, dear children. If you open the chapter 5, you can see such a table. Let's study how to make such a table. These horizontal arrangements are called rows. Tell me, dear children, how many rows are here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are here. Then the vertical arrangements are called columns. How many columns there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first we want to count the number of rows and number of columns. Okay. Then we want to go to here. And here you can see the insert tab. Left click the insert tab. And here you can see the table option and there is one down arrow. Click it. Okay, here you can see a lot of boxes. You want to select the how many columns and how many rows are there. In this question, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you want to just move, just keep your mouse there. Okay, and drag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are there. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Okay, then you want to left click. Okay, so you got the column and rows here. So you got a table. For understanding, I have already moved it down. And how we can type here. So first you just go and click here, left button. Okay, now you can see the cursor. These each boxes are called cells. Okay, so these are actually the intersection of column and rows. Okay, these are the intersection of columns and rows are called cells. Okay, so I just left click at the first cell and I want to type there class. Okay, we want to type class, and the second one, that is hockey, I think. So you want to click you want to type hockey. Then let's finish that table. Here I type all the headings and I want to move to this cell. Okay, everybody will click enter key. Don't click enter key. If you click enter key, what will do? I'll show you that. I'm going to click enter key. The size of the cell increases. So I want to move to the next cell. Just go with your mouse pointer and click here and type 5. Okay, what's that? 5. That is a Roman letter 5. Then Roman letter, just move here, Roman letter 6. Then Roman letter 7. Roman letter 7. Okay, then if you want to go here, go to this column, don't click the spacebar or something. Okay, if you click spacebar, the size of the cell again increases. Okay, so if you want to go here, just go and click here. Otherwise, you can see in the keyboard, you can see one arrow here. So you want to click that arrow. Okay, in that, if you are clicking again that arrow, it will move like that. If we click this arrow, can you see this? I'm moving backwards. Okay, so this is the way of moving to one cell to another cell. If you want to delete this box, you just come and select it completely and just click the backspace of the keyboard. Okay, it's very easy to delete. Listen, if we want to add a lot of columns and rows, for example, here you just look here, how many columns there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 columns, and let's count the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is only 8 rows are available. If you need a 20 rows, can you see this? Yeah, this is the maximum numbers. Okay, then if we need more columns and rows, what you will do? Simple, just go to the insert table option, click the insert table, and here you can see you can give the number of columns and number of rows you need. I'm giving the number 12 or 15 columns, and in my class there are 31 students, so I'm giving 31 here. Okay, and I want to click the OK option. So I got a table that I need. This is the second way to make a table. There is another method also, that is, let's check it. Insert, then table, and I am giving I need only 3 columns, that's I sure. 3 columns, and I don't know about the rows, so I want to add the rows. Okay, so here I got a 1 row only, and if I need one more row, just go outside and click here, click outside, and you want to click the enter key. Okay, enter. Again I want to move here, come outside and click the enter key. Okay, don't click the enter key when the cursor is inside the cell. Okay, look here, I'm going to click the enter key. Now the cursor is on inside the cell. Can you see this? The size of the cell increases. Okay, so if we want to add more cells, just go outside and click enter key. Again go outside and click enter key. So we can add the rows, whatever we need. One more option also there. If I want to add more columns, now there is 1, 2, 3 columns. I want to add one more column. Then what we'll do? Yes, we want to right click on the cell. Right click. Okay, you know which button right click? Yeah, right button, this one. Okay, so I want to right click, and here you can see insert option. Can you see one insert option? Yeah, insert. Here we can see insert column to the left, insert column to the right, insert rows above, insert row below. So we can insert columns and rows like that. So I need a column to the left, I'm giving. Can you see the number of column increases? Okay, if I need column to the right side, I can choose the next option. Okay, I got another column also. This is the way of increasing the number of columns, and we can insert the rows also. Insert row above, can you see? Increase the row. Again, insert row below, insert row below. We can increase the number of columns and rows in that way.